Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to install the TheGem theme and import demo content. Here you can see this one is my demo website, and now let me go in dashboard, and now I want to upload theme file. Let me go here and click on add theme, then upload theme file. Now let me go back into my laptop, and here I have themes folder. This one is the theme. Now let me extract it. You can use different softwares to extract zip files, and after that now let me open this file. Okay, this one is child theme for the Elementor. Now let me start uploading this file. Select the theme and open the theme folder. This one, and now let me also extract this file. Okay, this is the single file. Let me select this one and click on install button. Now theme is installed. Simply click on activate button, and now we need to install these plugins. Click here, begin installing plugin. Now let me select install, apply. And also let me go here and check if some plugins are available in these files. Okay, this one is the slider documentation. Okay, all the required plugins are installed. Now let me go back and activate these plugins. Now Elementor is active. Now let me go back in plugin sections. And here we need to activate Elementor Pro. Okay, all the plugins are active. Now here you can see on the left menu, click here demo import. And here you can see these are different pre-built websites. So guys, here you can see these are the different pre-built templates and themes that you can easily use. So if you are building a website for the construction business, then here you can find out different templates. Also you can see for different businesses like real estate, gym and fitness. So let me select this one, real estate, then scroll down, and here you can select one of the option, then click next, and after that submit. And here you can see installation is in progress. Now demo import is complete. Here you can see two buttons. You can go back to the theme options as well as click on preview website. Okay, here you can see a professional theme is installed and a website is ready. Now simply you can update content Okay, all the sections, header, footer and body section. Now let's discuss how you can edit any of the text in this theme. Simply you can go here on the top, click here edit with Elementor. Now Elementor page builder is loading, and now click on skip. And if you want to change any of the text, for example, here let me go and replace this text. Find your best home. And this one is the second text. So let me remove this one, and after that here you can change the button text, contact, and you can link the button with any page. For example, let me go back, copy contact page link and add here. After that you can add your own images. Simply you can go here and select any of the image, then you can upload your desired image. After that you can easily edit this content. Here you can go title and description. After that scroll down. In this way you can easily edit body section. Now if you want to change something in the header, then here you can see two options, header demo and sticky header. And here you can change the logo in website. After that this one is the menu, this one is the top bar. Here you can add your own social links, then you can replace the phone number with your own contact number. Here you can change the Google map and you can add your own address. This one is the search bar, and if you want to delete any of the container section from here, then you can simply see this cross button, then you can easily remove that. Now let's see how you can edit this menu. On the top left corner here you can see menu, and here we have multiple menus. So let me select one of the menu, and now I want to remove this one, objects. So let's see how we can do that. You can expand it and remove that. You can also use bulk select, this one, and after that click on remove selected items, save menu. Now let's go and reload this page. Here you can see now that menu item is not available. You can also edit footer. You can go back, footer widgets. You can also install one of the plugin. Click on add plugin. You can use this plugin, classic editor. This one is the plugin that you can install. And if you want to change this logo in your theme, then simply you can go back to the theme options, click here, and here you can see logo and identity. Simply you can remove this logo and upload your own logo file. This one is for the mobile logo, and also you can select the logo width. for different devices. Here you can select the theme layout, full width, boxed, body, frame, and then you can add background. You can add background color, gradient, that means multiple colors. You can add a background image as well as you can use the pattern. Okay, this one is the padding and margin for different devices. Then scroll down. Here you can add a preloader. Then you can also add a pop-up, and here you can select the header layout. Then after that, this one is the footer. You can scroll down and here you can add copyright text. So which one is the copyright text? This one. For example, let me add website name. And here you can change the text. Then how you can edit this one, this section. Here you can see edit template. You can click here. And this template is built with Elementor Page Builder. And here you can see this one. You can click on any of the icon, text and anything, and you can replace it with your own text. After that, this one is the contact form that uses contact form 7. So let me show you how you can edit that. Here you can see this one, contact forms. You can go here and then you can select that form. For example, let me select this one, and then here you can add your email address. After that, for the form fields, you can remove any of the field. For example, if you want to remove this one, name field, then you can select this one and remove this area. Okay, after that, let me scroll down, and if you want to change anything in this footer area, then simply you can go on widgets page, this one, and then select the footer widgets area.